let's learn how you can fix Facebook professional mode not showing or missing problem. So the first step is to open your settings application. Now you want to click on general, then click on iPhone storage, and here you want to find Facebook application, and here you want to offload the app and wait until it install again. Now if you still can't find it, you want to go back on settings, click on search and just type in region. Now click on the first option that pop up and select some region that should have this option enabled. So it's probably Germany, United States, United Kingdom, or anything like that. So if it still doesn't work, you want to open your Facebook application, go to menu, click on help and support, and then click on report a problem. Now you want to scroll down, click continue to report, include this. Now you want to scroll and click on professional dashboard. And here, what went wrong, you want to type in professional mode is missing for me. You can also take a screenshot of the evidence that you don't have professional mode and you just want to click on send. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next